today is Thursday and I have a taste testing to do today of KFC's new crispy zinger. Leave my weird name. To be honest, they reached out to me probably the day before yesterday, and you know, we've been going back and forth to see if I could go, because you know, they responded to me last night. Like, I did already take my mind off it because they didn't respond to me in time. I was like, General, well, this ain't gonna happen. This morning, for some reason, I woke up early. I woke up after 6, or call it to 7, and I decided to check my email, and lo and behold, they were like, you know, okay, everything is a go for tomorrow. So in my head, I said, okay. I remember reading the initial email and seeing something about 11 o'clock or 11:30. So I said, all right, I'm out of time, because it's, I think it's like 7:30 now or something like that. And one man just told me if I go look on the email good again. People was there from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. So I would have showed up 11 o'clock and the little thing would be done. One sec. My dad called me a while ago and I literally forget what I say. I called him earlier and I was telling him, well, he never did answer. So when he called back a while ago, I wondered everything alright to me, because I don't normally call him so early. So I was like, you know, I just wanted to call you to make sure you were okay, because I had a bad dream, first of all. But you know, hearing that you're okay, I'm good now. But second of all, I have this gig to go to in an hour and I'm very overwhelmed. I do not like last minute things that are very important. You know what I mean? You know, when you're late to something, or you do a little last minute planning and have some time, or you have leeway to be late. This, I don't have leeway to be late. I have to be on time, and I like to be on time for things like these. So me just kind of stressed out. My ear wanna do. I'm sure I just see some flakes drop out. I want to put on a little bit of makeup because the ear wanna look good. I not say I look good and I look good, but I want to do some makeup. Very light makeup. It is 8 o'clock. Alright, but then I tell myself I'm gonna reach 8:30. Yeah, what 8:30? 9:30, 10. And them can't vex with me because they literally confirmed this at almost 12 a.m. Them time they may sleep until I'm just wake up by the grace of God early for city email that, you know, everything is a go for today. You know, can't expect me to reach 9 o'clock. I should just stop talking and get ready. I have no idea what to wear. I'm gonna go start up myself, come back. All right guys, so this is what we're looking like. I'll show you guys the fit soon, or probably you'll see that later on in the vlog. But I'm just wearing this crop top and some boyfriend jeans. I'm going to take this off my head. My Uber is 4 minutes away. How's on? It's 8:56, which I don't think is horrible, although it said it starts from 9 to 11:30. But you have to stay with me. It was a very last minute thing, and I feel like I still do well for somebody who just got ready an hour ago. Less than an hour I got ready, to be honest. I'm a flat iron my hair and all of that. 4 minutes, I think that's fine. At first I wasn't going to do any makeup, and I literally just bitched up something in 10 minutes. I lightly filled in my eyebrows. I didn't even clean them up. Well, I shaved them, so them kind of look like them clean up. Powder foundation, blush. It's really the lip gloss why y'all think I have on a lot of stuff, but I really don't. Of course I have to put on my fake mole, cause one there, one there, and I like to put a tiny one right there. All right, I'm gonna pull this out. How far this over now? So I moved from 4 minutes to 5 minutes. Traffic up on the road now, Jaja. Is this car moving? You know, sometimes the app glitches, so it's not like accurate. You know, I said the starting of last year or this year that I wanted to stop using filler words when I'm speaking. I realize these days that I'm using like a lot, and I don't like it. So I flat ironed the hair, and then I kind of tied it down so it could lay how I want it. Oh, it's a good thing. I'm gonna check. Look at powder I want to go up so. It's not off completely, but a little touch up can do. There we go. It just looks like I was sunburnt a little. Anyways, that's it. I'm just going to I don't even know how I'm going to do the reel. I don't know. Nothing is really planned with my content, because as I said, I did really take it off of my mind. So hopefully my editing will make up for my creative direction, because right now I have none. There is no creative direction in this at all. The back of my hair always give me problems. I knew I should have cut it some more. Am I feeling this? Ew, why it look like that? Alright, auntie. Alright, auntie. Yeah, I look good. Me? I look good. Excuse my dirty mirror, but yeah. Auntie, your angle. Yeah, angle. I'll be using Dossier scent of the day. So this is my floral lavender. So I'm mixing it with Floriental vanilla. It's 2 minutes away. I'm also going to bring my tripod because I'm not going with anybody, so I don't really know if, you know, there'll be anybody to film certain things for me. I'm not really like ask people nothing. So because I'm me and nobody really go, I'm gonna take my tripod. So I'll talk back to you guys when I get there.
Aim for the target, put it funny. Aim for the target, put it funny. No matter how hard, baby, put it for me. No matter how hard, baby, put it for me. Aim for the target, put it funny. Aim for the target, put it funny. No matter.
People, I'm really a barbecue chicken girl. So I'm really ready to taste what the hype is about. Since everybody over here know about themselves and about one and I create excitement, more create excitement to sell. Drum roll, please.
People! Ratty pepper! No, the pepper. Put on your bowl. Wow.
No.
The best to reach?
Then I got onion something. Wow.
But trust me, anybody was saying his bad is a liar. That boy is a liar. Serious. There's something. What's it, Daddy?
No, no more to check on. I'm
done being cute. I'm just a gun here. Right.
Yeah. Smile. So, when you eat so again, like I was saying, I just woke up and I am going to wash my hair. The thing is, I didn't want to wash my hair yet because I'm getting a wig today that I wanted to install, but I'll probably install it tomorrow, to be honest, because I just really want to wash my hair. I'm tired for my head look like this. It's need to wash all these flakes and whatever, because my hair, you know, had a couple burns in it. So one, it's the scabs like flaking off, and then dry scalp, I guess, because I don't really moisturize. I'm still trying to get the hang of this creamier thing, so I'm gonna go wash my hair. I have a little deep conditioner thingy. I actually need some proper product for this relaxed hair because I don't know. I just don't know. I'm using this Dr. Miracle's deep conditioning treatment. Listen, I don't know. What does I use on my arm? And that's that we're gonna work with. I'm going to show you guys how I slick down my hair and get it in that cute little pixie style or whatever. Just wash your hair like regular. Shampoo it twice, condition it, and that's it. So I'll come back when I'm out of the shower. Good morning. So today I'm going to I don't know, treat myself, I guess. So it was a rough couple of weeks, and today and yesterday I got some good news and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna have a little me day. At first I was just gonna get my nails done, well, my toes. I'm not doing these until next month for my birthday. I'm giving them a break as well. So yeah, I'm just go and make them there, you know. Wait. I installed this wig yesterday for promo, but I need to fix it. I also don't love the wig, so listen, it not install really good, to be very honest. It's not my best installation, but it's gonna have to do. So I'm just gonna glue this down a little bit, and I decided that I kind of wanna look put together today. So I decided that I'm going to go to the nail tech, get my toesies done, and then I'm gonna go to TJ by myself, have a little drinky drink, and then come back home. So let's see if I'm brave enough to actually do that. Gonna fix this hair and come back. Alright guys, this is the fit. Surprisingly, my room is not that much of a mess. Why is it so dark? Alright, so my room is not an absolute mess this time. Surprisingly, I hate this wig. I hate this wig. Now this looks too bright. Yeah, this is the fit. Oh my god, everything is just kind of going wrong right now. I get an umbrella from KFC, and I can't find my little black one, and it's raining right now. Well, it's drizzling, but it may bring. Luckily it has a cover, so the big KFC in our shore, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, my Uber is outside, so I'm gonna go. Good morning, ladies and gents. So I'm at Airbnb, and I wasn't going to vlog, but I haven't been vlogging, and I feel like I should be vlogging. So I'm just making breakfast now. Literally just gonna make baked beans with sausage, you know, mix up together, and some boiled dumpling. That's breakfast. I was almost fretting because whenever I buy salt and black pepper, but luckily B&B had it, so black pepper, and this looks like some Himalayan salt. I'm gonna just do that, and we've got some paper plates because I don't like wash plate. I mean, I wash none. So that. I don't have my tripod because, as I said, I wasn't trying to vlog or anything, but I'm gonna try catching us somewhere so y'all can see what I'm doing.
And something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open while you do that. Drop the towel right in front of me, you cruise. Going on, baby. Talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight. Did I make a mistake and I can't concentrate while you're standing there naked? Acting strange, yeah. That something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby.
have no idea what day it is right now, and I'm on the road right now, so I'm at Fontana. Actually came to buy some Wendy's chicken salad. I don't know, I'm feeling a little bit anxious, just a little bit anxious. I was literally cussing a while ago. I actually went home to pick up some stuff and then go back to the young man house because that's where I'm staying today. I went home because I wanted to get my planner. I showed you this planner before. I have not used it since that video, which is horrible. Probably one time after that video, but I don't know. I don't know what's been going on. I just have not been planning, and the whole reason for me getting this planner was to become a planner, start planning my day. I was watching a YouTube video. She was basically saying, you know, that it's really easy to do content creation, etc., etc. I was just watching one of her vlogs, and she's saying the reason why a lot of people fail is because they just don't plan properly. I kind of thought about it, and it's true. A lot of people saying, well, she was saying that a lot of people struggle with consistency because they don't plan. So she will literally plan out a whole week's content or a month's content, and she sticks to that schedule. Me, on the other hand, I don't do that. I don't do that. I want to start doing that. I will write down ideas, but I never wrote down, okay, I'm going to film this video today, I'm going to edit this tomorrow, I'm going to upload it the next day. I don't have a schedule, and I think it's driving me nuts. I think that's what causes a lot of my anxiety. I am just I'm always a fidget, I'm always overwhelmed. Something is just always off about my days, and it's so annoying. A lot of things I just want to start cutting out of my life, like waking up what am I saying? I want to cut out a lot of things out of my life, like when I wake up in the morning and the first thing I do is scroll on my phone. I don't want to be doing that. I really do not want to be doing that, and it's very hard to separate my work from just leisure, because my work is on my phone, so I get distracted very easily. I'll probably go on my phone to say I'm checking emails, or you know, and I end up scrolling on somebody's page. I end up on TikTok. I don't know, I feel like I forgot to delete TikTok for a while, because my battery health went from 98 to 92 in 2 weeks. That's a problem. That is a massive problem, and it's all because of TikTok. The screen time for TikTok was very high, and I am not proud of that at all. All I do is just scroll on TikTok, but I also have reasons for that. A lot of my research is done on TikTok. I kid you not, I use TikTok as a search engine. Another thing that I want to start doing is articulating myself better. So as I said in my last vlog, the filler words, or probably was it this vlog? I don't remember. I think it was the last vlog though. The filler words, the like, the the long pauses, I hate doing it so much. I hate doing it so much. I love when people just sit and look dead in the camera and just say what they have to say without the unnecessary pauses. I know my editing style is very choppy. Oh, I thought that was someone I knew. I know my editing style is very choppy. That's on purpose, but a lot of times it's also to mask the awkward pauses that I make. No, I just really hate it. I was watching someone else's video today, basically saying how to become that woman or whatever, and she was basically saying her 23 tips on what she did to change some things up in her life. Stop complaining so much, setting boundaries. What else did she say? She made a lot. That crash, yeah. Oh, I'm showing you the boat. I can't show y'all right now because I am not trying to crash. See that? Brother. One thing about me, I love my little bang. Oh, but as I check to sit over, the man to the back of me. You take right now. I'm just exhausted. I had something to do here, so I'm just waiting for some other people to come. I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. The little snacks man, but normally out here, so I don't see him, and I'm so stressed. Why will I feel tight because I don't want to drop another one. I actually feel like I'm going to curl up into a ball and die. I don't know how I'm alive right now. I had to drive home for my pants because I cannot find my sweatpants. I knew I packed it yesterday in my bag because I don't know, somebody told me say I'm go front the man of the man of the. I know you lying. Lying, bro. He's not there. No. Oh my god. Where'd you go to buy those?
The umbrella is right there.
Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, it seems like they moved it. Or that's probably somebody new. The spot that I normally have it at is kind of right beside a garbage bin. So probably them finally see over the years that that is so unsanitary and that they need to move it. So, God, my belly hurt me. So, they used to have it over there, but now it's right there where the umbrella is. Anywho, I got my snacks. I got a spicy tortilla and a what? Why don't watch me? Now people watch me. This is just me trying to close out the vlog because I keep on ending each segment so abruptly. The last one, I was having a good conversation with another car, and then the crash that I saw just distracted me. I feel like I have some type of ADHD. I don't know, but I don't want to like diagnose myself. That's it for this vlog.